Hi, my name is Eric Alita, a developer advocate at Coda. I'm here to show you how to get started building packs right from your browser. Start by opening Coda, clicking on Packs, and create a pack. This is the Pack Studio web editor. We're going to start with the Hello World sample, and all the code is already written for you. Let's rename our pack. And click the Build button. Your code is being built behind the scenes on Coda servers, and when it's done, we get this nice little dialog. Let's click this button to create a test doc to try out our new pack. You can see the pack has been installed in this doc and ready to use. Let's drag the formula into our doc and add a parameter. There we go. You can see it outputs hello packs. Now let's go back to the code editor and change the functionality of this pack. Instead of saying hello, what if it said howdy instead? After we make a change, we have to build a new version of our pack by clicking the build button again. When the build is complete, we head back to our doc and see that we are on version v2 of our pack, but the output hasn't changed. That's because we need to rerun our pack with the new code. To do that, click the View Logs button to open the Pack Maker tools, the three dots, and then finally refresh pack formulas and tables. So rerun your pack code. You can now see the output, howdy packs. That's it. You've made your first pack and edited it all within your browser. Bye for now.